Did you know that pretty much every piece of plastic that has ever been made still exists today? In fact, this milk jug will take about 1,000,000 years to decompose. Now, I know this sounds depressing, but fear not, because there is hope.
Everybody's worried about what do we do with plastic, and here is a solution. We don't have to treat it as garbage anymore. If people will now think of it as the raw material for an industrial process where we transform it into another product.
And this lumber is used for building things like decks, benches, or stairs.
We receive scrap plastic, such as these bales that we just received today from the Gulf Islands, and we sort the plastic, pick out any of the plastics that are unusable to us, and the rest of the plastic we grind up and melt it and inject it into molds to make lumber.
And this concept of turning plastic waste into usable lumber originally came from Europe.
They have many plants there, successful operations over there where they're using the plastics and making lumber and other products as well, not just lumber.
And here's Brian's vision. Similar to Eat Local, he wants us to recycle local.
Every municipality has a problem with plastics going in their landfill or collecting it and shipping it around the planet to find somebody who can use it. Every municipality could have one of these plants so that the plastic could be kept local.
You can find Altwood, which is the name of the lumber Syntal produces, at Slag's Lumber World, or you can buy it at the plant on Keating Crossroad in Central Saanich. It's a bit pricey, but it does last forever. And right now, they're gearing up for a big project in North Vancouver.
Plastic in landfills, the problem is it'll last for centuries. Well, here we're turning it into a product that will also last for centuries, but doing something. This will be controlling the flow of a river to prevent flood damage.
Brian is asking all of us to bring in our plastics. And get this, they'll take things that the Blue Box program may not, like those old plastic lawn chairs, garbage cans, toys, and even gutted TVs. But they do ask that you make sure the item is clean and metal-free.
I'm working hard to try to get the costs down, and one of the things that would help is if I could get cheaper plastic. Unfortunately, I have to pay world prices for plastic. That's why we're hoping that citizens of Victoria will bring us their plastic. People want to get rid of it. They don't want it to go into landfill. They want to truly recycle. So since the end of last year, we've noticed there's been an increase. People are really on board with this, and we're getting much more plastic brought to our gate right now.
It's hard to believe that these stairs were once a milk jug or a yogurt container, an unwanted toy. And I have to tell you, even though it's pouring rain, not slippery at all. I love it. I'm Karen Augusma, your lifestyle specialist.
Producing over 9,000 hours of local programming every year. This is Shaw TV, your local voice.